I am taking one more example where we will apply a technique to find the nth term, and then we will apply how to find the sum up to n terms of that progression under the category of some special sequences. Question is 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 into 5 plus dot 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 up to n terms. You can observe the first component of first term is 1. First component of term 2 is 2. Third is 3. Fourth is 4. So, nth terms component will be n. So, I can say it is an is equals to n into, then it is 1 more than, as you can say, the second part of the first term is 2. The second part of second term is 3. Second part of third term is 4. So, it is 1 more than the previous what is there, that is n plus 1. And the next is 1 more than the previous to it and 2 more than the first one. So, this become n plus 2. N into n plus 1 into n plus 2 will be its nth term. On simplification, it will give us n square plus 3n plus 2. And when will be multiplied, finally will give n cube plus 3n square plus 2n. This we have obtained in first go, it's an. But we want to find sum, that is we want to sum up. So, sigma an become sigma n cube, 3 sigma n square, 2 sigma n. Sigma n cube result you must know, it is n into n plus 1 upon 2 whole square plus 3 sigma n square means n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6 plus twice of sigma n, that is n into n plus 1 upon 2. So, simplification of this will give us the sum of n terms of this series comes under the topic some special sequences.